Artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain are two technological innovations that are shaping the future in profound ways. While AI involves machines thinking and learning from experience, blockchain is about securely storing and sharing data across a network. When these technologies converge, they open up a world of opportunities, but also come with their own set of concerns. Understanding artificial intelligence. AI is essentially about creating machines or systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This includes activities like recognizing speech, making decisions, and solving problems. AI does this by processing and analyzing large amounts of data, learning from it, a process known as machine learning, and then applying this learning to make informed decisions. Introducing blockchain. Blockchain, on the other hand, is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant's ledger. The convergence of AI and blockchain. When AI and blockchain technologies come together, they offer a range of exciting possibilities. AI can analyze large amounts of data generated on blockchain networks to make predictions, automate tasks, and create new insights. Meanwhile, blockchain can provide a secure and transparent way to store and manage the data that AI needs to learn. Opportunities of AI with blockchain convergence. Enhanced security. Blockchain can enhance the security of the AI systems by providing a secure way of handling the data that AI uses. Since blockchain data is immutable and transparent, it reduces the risks of data tampering or fraud. Improved data management and sharing. With blockchain, AI systems can have access to vast, decentralized datasets, which they can use to learn and make more accurate decisions. This is particularly useful in fields like healthcare, where patient data privacy is paramount. Trust and transparency. Blockchain can make AI decisions more transparent and understandable. This is crucial since AI systems can sometimes be seen as black boxes that provide outputs without any explanation. Concerns and challenges. Complexity and resource intensity. Both AI and blockchain are complex technologies that require significant computational resources. Their convergence can lead to increased demands on processing power and energy consumption. Data privacy and ethics. While blockchain can enhance data security, the sharing of data between AI systems raises privacy concerns. Additionally, the ethical implications of AI decisions and the transparency of these decisions are important considerations. Regulation and governance. The convergence of AI and blockchain technology poses new challenges for regulation and governance. Balancing innovation with consumer protection, data privacy, and ethical standards is a delicate task. Examples in pop culture. AI in Her. The movie Her showcases an AI system that interacts with the user in a highly personalized manner. Imagine this AI backed by blockchain, ensuring all personal interactions are securely recorded and used to improve the AI's learning, while maintaining user privacy. Blockchain in Ready Player One. The virtual world in Ready Player One operates on a digital economy. Blockchain could be the underlying technology ensuring secure and transparent transactions within such a virtual universe. Real-world examples. Healthcare. In healthcare, the convergence can lead to secure patient data management systems where AI can analyze patient data for better diagnosis and treatment, while blockchain ensures the integrity and confidentiality of patient records. Financial services. In finance, AI can analyze market trends and blockchain can be used for secure transactions. The combination could lead to more personalized and secure financial services. In conclusion, the convergence of AI and blockchain holds great potential for transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives. However, it's important to approach this convergence with careful consideration of the ethical, privacy, and regulatory challenges it poses. As we continue to explore these technologies, their combined impact could be as significant as the introduction of the Internet, redefining how we interact with the digital world.